Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we will going to discuss about the in vitro assay, and one of the in vitro assay is the Anchorage independent assay, also known as the soft agar colony forming assay. And this soft agar colony forming assay, why we are used? Because cancer cells or transform cells, they have ability to grow without any surface, and this is one of the hallmark of the carcinogenesis. So to estimate the this property of the cancer cells, we used Anchorage independent assay. But in case of normal cells, what happens? These normal cells attach to the extracellular matrix, but due to any reasons, any circumstances, whenever these normal cells get detached from the extracellular matrix, they will not going to divide, right? These cells will going to die in a programmed cell death manner, or we can say special kind of apoptotic death happens. That process is known as the anoikase, right? But in case of cancer cells, so what happens? Cancer cells start detaching from the extracellular matrix, and these cells travels to the bloodstream or the lymph system, and they will start growing to the other organs, right? They will start growing to the place of other organs and start metastasizing, and this process is also known as the metastasis process. So to measure this property of the cancer cells, whether they can grow without the surface or not, we used Anchorage independent assay. So I have also given the reference picture here. Okay, so let's discuss the very important part of this video, that is the protocol of Anchorage independent assay. So we need the noble agar and the complete medium. Complete medium should contain the FBS antibiotic and whole your components. Okay, so we have to prepare the two layers, bottom layers and upper layer. So bottom layer is consist of the 0.7% agar that you have to make already. So 0.7% agar, as the temperature of this agar is skin bearable, you have to mix into the complete medium in 1:2 ratio. Okay, it means 1x is your agar and 2x is your medium. So the mixture of bottom layer you have to pour into the 6 well plate. It should be around 2 ml. Okay, so after the pouring the bottom layer, immediately you have to shake the plate. So the layer should get evenly spreaded. Okay, make sure there should be no bubbles, or otherwise it will going to hamper your staining part. Okay, and wait till the bottom layer gets solidified. After that, after the solidify of bottom layer, you have to prepare the upper layer. So upper layer consists of your 0.35% agar and the number of cells into the media. So the number of cells you can use for this assay is around 2000 to 5000. Okay, so or you can also standardize the number of cells according to your requirement. So after mixing these two into the same ratio, 1:2. Okay, after mixing these the components of upper layer, you have to pour into the at the top of the bottom layer. Okay, it the volume should be around 1.5 ml. So uh, again you have to shake the 6 well plate. Okay, and then incubate at the 37 degree Celsius temperature inside your incubator. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to change the media at the interval of every 2 days. Okay, so after 5 to 7 days you can visualize your colonies into the bright field microscope. If you see the number of colonies is enough, then you can proceed to the staining part, or otherwise you can wait till 2 weeks, till 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks according to your requirements. And the staining part, you can, first you have what you have to do, first you have to remove the extra media. Okay, then you have to fix the colonies with the 10% formalin, and then you have to use the 0.05% crystal violet to stain the number of colonies. Okay, after staining the colonies with 0.05% crystal violet, count the colonies into the stereo microscope. So in this assay you have to count the colonies immediately, otherwise your agar will get dry and the number of colonies which you are going to visualize is also not visible. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.